Hey everyone, it's your girl LYNNHOLLA1 coming to you live. So what's going on? Tonight, Sunday night, I had made some greens the other day. So I'm going to have some greens, but I ordered every place was closed. Every place was closed. So I ordered a cheesesteak from Uncle Oogie. I think that's how you pronounce his name. Hopefully it's good. And I'm going to have my greens. I don't know if I just said that or not. But, I'm going to say my grace. Father in heaven, thank you for the food which I'm about to receive. Nourishment to my body for Christ's sake. Amen. Amen, amen, amen. I want to eat tonight. Hey. So, after these messages, I'll be right back. So I'm back, y'all. I said my grace. I'm just gonna grub, okay? Cause this is kind of hungry. And I'm eating my greens with a spoon, but that's okay. These greens are good. I was trying to put them up for a little family grilling that we're gonna be doing on Tuesday evening, but everybody been enjoying it. So I said I might as well chip in. It's only about one serving left, if one serving. But 9 times out of 10, I already know that I'm not going to eat this whole thing tonight. Those greens are so good. I need to make some more. And what I have on this extra meat. God. Extra cheese. Roll gutted. Mayo on the roll. And mustard. I don't know. Maybe they gutted it too much. It's falling apart. It done fell apart. Let's have my brain. So what's going on, people? Memorial Day weekend. I have a water. And I also have iced coffee. A place where I normally get my steaks from. The heat today, it was supposed to be 90. I'm sorry if I'm smacking, not really. I'm hungry, y'all. I went to church. It was an awesome time in church. As a matter of fact, I even went to third service. So we had three services. We have a 7:30 service, I believe, in the morning. I'll make that one. I made it once. Because I was doing a web series. And they was recording they was recording on a Sunday. And I didn't want to miss service. So I decided, because the service that I normally go to is at 11:30. So I decided this Sunday morning I'm going to do this 7:30 service. I think I got there like like 8 o'clock. And I was so tired. I think we might have had rehearsal the night before and got home kind of late. And I was like, I'm going to make service tomorrow. And let me tell you, I made it. Like I said, it was about like 8 o'clock when I got there. But sister was like, amen. Ooh. Amen. I was tired, but I made it. It's so good. I think it's juicy too. You see that? I think when I can't get it from my original spot, I get it from here. I had got cheesesteak, roll gutted, toasted, mayonnaise on it. Well, extra steak and extra meat with mustard and fried onions. Good. Mm-mm-mm. I came home. I took my clothes off, put my little house dress on, and I said, oh, I would like to say welcome, welcome, welcome to my new subscribers. I don't know how many it is, but I thank you. Mm. I really appreciate you. And I checked the thing who subscribed to my channel. Now, I do know one. So I did go back to their channel and I subbed to their channel. But I gotta get your name so I can give you the proper shout out. And again, I'm trying to get them numbers up. Listen, my goal is to get up to about 1,000. Because I like doing lives. And some weeks ago, I did my last live. I got up. The next day was great, do another live. Very goofy. And YouTube, that's my bubble. My feelings was hurt. Why? Because they said from this point, I need to have 1,000 subscribers in order to do live. I was like, what the heck? No warning sign or nothing. Like I said, the day before, I was, what was I doing the day before? I did a live. And it wasn't no warning saying that, you know, as of tomorrow, you won't be able to do a live because you don't have 1,000 subscribers. I just went to go push that live button, and they was like, not ever. Excuse me. It wasn't ever, but oh, learn more. A message popped up. Learn more. Huh? Learn more. The rules for the live YouTube new rules or something. You must have 1,000 subscribers in order to do a live. I was like, I was like, mm-mm. My feelings was hurt. Now, it hurt me bad because I wouldn't even, okay, come on, focus right. Come on, focus on. There you go. I would do a video for a few weeks. Well, at least about a week. That was so good. Yep, so I got over it, sorta. I started doing my big all over again, and then I did so many videos that it wouldn't even upload. So then it's frustrating there too. Excuse me. So, excuse me, asking everyone to like, comment, share this video, and subscribe to this channel if you already haven't. Comment below. So I know who you are, who you be, and I can come to the channel and check you out. So my phone was just ringing. Oh, these greens are good. Make some more. I am going to make some more. Well, everyone. Why my daughter keep calling? Well, everyone. Again, thank you for. I'm put her on the block list. Thank you for watching. Until next time, peace. Be blessed. I'm gone. I love you guys. Have a safe, blessed week ahead. A safe Memorial Day. Drama free. God bless. Bye bye.